out, please.
And you literally just
What?
I was doing this.
Okay, let's not do that again, Paul. Just say okay. Thanks, Roland. Don't worry about other people. Don't worry about other people. Jacob, Jackson, Gion. Thank you. Okay, what should you have out on your desk right now? Okay. Clear off everything else that you might have on your desk. All right, we are going to do some work with We are going to do some work with equivalent fractions. Who can tell me what the word equivalent means? Va? Equal. So we're making fractions that are equal to each other. Okay? So we're going to do these. You're going to do what, Va? Are you sure? Sorry.
Bro.
Don't worry about it. Okay, where's your whiteboard? Okay, put it on here. Okay, we're going to work through some of these. Are we following? Okay, hold on. Okay. So we can see here. Well, I'm going to do this first one. Just talk you through this first one. Just what? No. Okay, where's your whiteboard and marker? Right, erase your board, please. I haven't given you any directions yet. Okay. What is this fraction right here? You can tell me. 8 ninths. Okay. We can see that there is a blank right here, but our numerator on this one is 80. So what we have to think is, what did they do to the 8? Don't say anything yet. Raise your hand if you know the answer. What did they do to the 8 to make it 80? Adelina?
They multiplied it by 10.
Multiplied it by 10. Correct. So, if they multiply the numerator by 10, what's our rule? Whatever you do to the top.
After do to the bottom.
Okay, so then what are we going to do? Hold on, Ian. Is your hand raised? What are we going to do, Ian? Do you know what 9 times 10 is? 90. Okay. So what I want you to do for these is I just want you to write on your whiteboard what the number in the little box would be, okay? So, let's see if 90 is our correct answer. And that's correct. All right. All right, so we have 7 ninths. Alright, so you should have whatever number should be in the box that's at the bottom. Okay, let me see boards. Alright, number 3. Yeah, what's the answer? Is it 2836? Let's see.
Yeah.
That is correct. Good job. Alright, next one. 1/3. 1/3. So you have to think, what do they do to the 1 to get to 4? What did they do to the 1 to get to 4? Okay, let me see boards. Alright, boards down, let's see. 25. You had 12. Okay, let's see. 12. Okay, that is correct. I'm going to talk you through that one real quick just because I had some different answers. So we had 1/3, you can't really see it, 1/3. And then there was a 4 on top of the other fraction. From 1, what do you have to multiply to get to 4? 4. So then what do we have to do to the 3?
Multiply by 4.
Multiply by 4. Some of you guys had 1 or even 3. So whatever we do to the top, remember we have to do the bottom. So 12 is the correct answer. Alright, next one. Alright, here's another 1/3. 1/3. What did we do to the 3 to get 24? Don't just think in your head. Alright, let me see boards. Alright, let's see. Audrey's not here. Number 1. Meyer, what did you have? A? 8. Sorry. Sorry. Let's see. 8. That is correct. Because to get from 3 to get to 24, what did we do?
Multiply by 8.
Multiply by 8. So we took the 1 and we multiplied it by 8. Okay? Alright, we have 3 7ths. And that's equal to 12 blank. Write it on your boards. Write the blank on your boards. That's what you have to figure out. Oh, what's this long number? That's a 7. 3 7ths.
It's pretty simple. Yeah, that's pretty simple.
Alright, let me see boards. Sandra, turn, please. Alright, see 28. Let's see. 25 again? Simon, what did you have? 28? Correct. Good job, Simon. Alright, 4/5. 4. Remember, we can't say it's easy because it might be hard for somebody else. Yeah, you can come up here. 4/5. what do we multiply the 5 to get to 10? And that'll tell us what to do to the 4. Hold on.
Perfect.
All right, let me see boards. I see some 8s. Okay. Let's see, 7. Pass.
28.
Not 28. That's close. Let's see, 2.
Please.
Kenzie? Not 2. Let's see, 3. Riley?
No, she already got it.
8, 10. So let's talk through this one. We have 5. We started with 5. What do you multiply 5 by to get 10? 2. So that tells us what we do to our 4. What do we do to our 4?
2 times 8. 2 times 4.
2 times 4. Okay. Correct. Okay, give me thumbs up if you're feeling super confident about this, thumbs down if you need a little bit more help, and then thumbs in the middle if you got it, but then sometimes you don't. Okay, so let's do a couple more, and then we'll talk through them. All right, we have 3, 6. So what I want you to think is first, what do you multiply your 3 by to get to 15? Come on, put your boards down. Boards down for a second. We first think, what do we multiply our 3 by to get to 15? Okay? Once we figure out that, we take that number and then we multiply it by 6 to get our new denominator. Who can tell me what we multiply 3 by to get to 15? I need to see more hands up.
More hands. Okay, Miss McCaffrey. More hands.
Okay, we multiply 5. We multiply 5 to 3 to get 15. Okay, what does that tell us we have to do to the 6? Multiply it by 5. What is 6 times 5? 30. All right, now we have 1/2. Right on your board. Okay, let me see your boards. Shar, do you have an answer? You said 5?
Oh, correct.
Okay, guys, all these noises have got to stop.
That's correct, Shar.
I don't know
Good
what's
job.
going on back here, but you guys all got to stop these noises.
What's the next problem?
All right. We're going to do one more of this one, and then we're going to switch to a different kind.
Website.
Okay? 1/7. Our starting fraction's 1/7.
Our agenda. No, I don't.
Okay, let me see boards.
Wait.
Mary, why are you...
It's right there.
All right, let's see.
Here, red stick.
12. Ava?
Wow.
8:56, she says. Correct.
I'm gonna go. Let's do six. Let's do ninth grade algebra.
Oh, that was fun.
I've done it before. It's pretty.
Make this harder.
Oh, that's a problem.
Yeah, do ninth grade.
I can't see it.
To make it the hardest you can make it.
Then make it 10th grade.
10th grade.
No,
12th grade.
Do 5th grade. Make it college grade.
Yeah, college.
College, yes.
College
College
grade,
grade,
you're
you
gonna
gotta
make
make
it
it
grade, you
grade,
can
you
do.
do. Higher grade than us. Bro, why is it so
Do math series the highest grade.
Okay. We've switched over to a different kind. Now we're going to be reducing fractions. Okay, so what were we just doing? Hold on.
Reduce the divide.
What were we just doing with those problems? Multiplying. Okay. Does anybody know what reduce means? Like, we're gonna be dividing, but what does reduce mean? Adelina, hold on. Okay, Adelina.
Does it mean to like
Hold back.
make it small?
Make it smaller. Okay? Reduce. Yeah, so if you have a whole pile of, let's say if you have a pile of leaves outside and you're gonna start bagging it up in trash bags. Each time you bag it up, you're reducing the amount of trash bags you have. So if we have 6/12, what's something that we can divide it by to make the fraction smaller?
2.
We can do 2.
Or that's divided by 21. No.
3, 6.
Hold on. We're setting out.
You can divide it by
I want you, Jackson.
1.
Okay, 1, yeah, but that's not reducing it. That would leave it to be the same.
2, 4.
Stop shouting out, please. Okay, sit down. I want you to start and first think, how about our numerator?
Denominator.
Okay? We can divide 6 by 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is 6 divided by 6?
1.
1. Can we divide 12 by 6?
Yes.
Yes. What is 12 divided by 6?
2.
2. So what would that make our fraction then?
2, 6. 1, 36.
51.
What
What did you guys just tell me that 6 divided by 6 was?
36.
Okay. And then what is 12 divided by 6?
1 half.
1/2. Okay. Let's see that.
I've been dividing.
Okay.
36.
So, I want you to first start with your numerator and see if you can divide it by that. Let's do it. Let's talk through another one.
I don't get it. Okay. I don't get it. I got get it.
Jackson, turn around.
I thought you said we would.
Hayden, stop shouting out. Okay. You shouldn't have anything written on your board. Should not have anything written on your board.
Okay.
Who can read me what this fraction is by raising their hand? Blake?
35 40th.
35/40. Okay. Now what do you notice about the number in the ones place on
I
both
know
of
the
these?
answer.
Xander, what do you notice?
There are 5 and a 0.
A 5 and a 0.
And a 5 by 5.
You can divide them both by 5. So what if we divide 35 by 5? What do we get?
1. 7. What? 7.
Alright, let's stop shouting out. So now I want you guys to raise your hand from here on out. Okay, who can tell me what 35 divided by 7 is? Jackson?
7.
7. So that's where we can get our numerator. Then remember, whatever we do to the numerator, we have to do the denominator. So if we took 35 divided by 5, we have to take 40 divided by what, Kaden? 5. So 40 divided by 5 is? 8. Are we seeing how we're doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It is not easy to other people.
Yeah. This one's a little bit different. You can't necessarily take your numerator and divide it by both. And
6.
we don't have both numbers in the ones place, so you can divide by 5. So now you have to think, what number can you divide both of those numbers by? Ava, do you know? 3. Can you divide 3? Can you divide 15 divided by 3?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can we take 18 divided by 3? Yeah?
No.
Alright. Do that division on your boards, and I want to see what answer you come up with. Ava told us that we're dividing by 3. Noah, you have nothing written on your board.
36.
Alright, let me see boards.
Oh, did
I need to see more boards. Alright, let's see. Number 8, Mohammed, what did you get?
36.
Mohammed says 3-6.
Incorrect.
That's incorrect.
No.
Alright, what should our answer should have been, Xander?
It should have been 5, 6.
5-6. Mohammed, what is 15 divided by 3?
5.
Yeah. And you put 3. So you just,
You said whatever you can divide by, that's the answer.
What did you just say?
You said whatever number you can divide by.
wait, can you divide 18 by 5?
Yeah.
And no. So that's where we got the 3 from. Okay, let's try another one. Alright, 21 and 28.
I didn't know until you said Is anyone happy now? So
Alright, let me see boards.
Wait.
let's see. Found it. No.
Okay, first, who can tell me what number that they thought both of these can be divided by? Scarlett?
7.
7. Okay, start with that. Scarlett said 7. Alright, now let me see boards now that you have that little hint.
This
Please
was
get my stick ball and it will not be
15.
37.
What?
37.
3 sevenths. Okay, that shows red. Let's. Mohammed, turn around, please. Gion, what's 21 divided by 7? Okay, What is 28 divided by 7? 4.
It's 1/2.
Now we're at
Greek
Greek
Alright, now with this, with dividing, when we're reducing our fractions, thumbs up if you got it and you understand. Thumbs down if you have no clue what's happening. Thumbs in the middle if you kind of got it. Okay, let's do another one. 20/30ths. I want you to pay attention to the ones place.
But you can do it two ways.
Mhm.
So can I put both on? Please. Yes. Got it. Did it.
Mary, turn around, please. All right, boards down. Let's see, Gian, what did you have? 4, 6. Okay, let's see if we can get another answer. 3, Riley, what did you have? What did you have? I can't hear you, Riley. Hold on, Riley. Hold on. No one, Jacob. All right, Riley, what was your answer? Okay.
Yep. That's also correct.
Correct. Okay. Let's go back to our seats, you 3. Let's put boards away, markers away.
To me.
Boards away, markers away.
That's a different story.
Jackson, turn around. Alright. We have a page that is going to be more practice on what we just did. There are some that are doing what we first started out with, where okay. The first page has just one blank on the fraction. We're figuring out what goes in the blank. And then reducing fractions with what we just did, where we're dividing.
So typically the first, like the front side is time, and then the back side is
Bree, you have a question?
It's correct.
But you want to know how they've mastered it, if they've mastered it, so.
Dojo partners.
Yeah.
Yes, trust me.
That's the real Jackson.
Please, Dojo's are partners. No.
They know.
He must be his best friend. Jojo will.
Dojo partners.
I'm disappointed in you when you're listening, so I
Pick Jojo.
Okay, you are going to Okay, once you get this, we're gonna go over 1 and 2 together on both sides, and then you're gonna complete it by yourself. Okay?
I kind of get that.
Okay. Roland, can you hand these out for me?
Miss McCaffrey, I barely
Gian. Okay, listen, I'm going to give you a different direction than what I just said. But you have to listen.
Gian, you need to listen to the directions.
Alright. I'm going to pair you in dojo partners. Listen, listen. You are only going to complete 1 through 11. Or let me on. 1 through 10. Okay, there's 20 on each side. You're going to complete 1 through 10 with your partner.
on each side.
Let me finish. Once you finish 1 through 10 on each side, I want you to check with me so I can see that you have finished that much. And then you'll go back to your seat and complete 11 through 20 by yourself.
So do not do 11 through 20 with a partner. That is on your own.
Okay, if you come and bring me your sheet and you already have all of it done, then
You get a new sheet.
yeah, you didn't follow directions. So with a partner, with a dojo partner, you are doing 1 through 10 on each side. Then you are coming and showing me.
Scarlett and Mohammed. I am not seeing good listeners, and it happened all throughout her whole time she was teaching math. I've tried to not say anything, but I can't help it anymore. There's no way that you can be listening, so stop what you're doing and listen with attention. That means eyes on the speaker. Xander, speaker's up here.
Okay, one more time so we're all on the same page.
Xander is still not. So that'll be marked.
Okay. I'm going to pair you in dojo partners. You will work with that partner on 1 through 10 on the finding equivalent side, and then reducing fractions 1 through 10 on each side. Once you finish 1 through 10, you'll come up and show me. I'll just make sure that you've done the 1 through 10. You will go back to your seat and complete 11 through 20 on your own. Once you finish the part on your own, you can put them in your done folder. Kenzie. Yeah.
What was her
Just,
question?
do you have to work in partners? For the first little chunk. Was that your question, Gian? No? Are there any other questions before we get started?
Can I give another direction?
Yes.
Okay, when you are finished with math and it's in the done folder, there's a little football here. You can color it and cut it out. And then out on the board out there, on the big board, all of our 4th grade classes for the Stockton Kirkhoff, Miss Nolan's class, and us, we're gonna make a prediction, who do you think will win the Super Bowl? So if you think it's the Chiefs, you'll tape your football on this side. If you think it's the Eagles, you'll tape your football on the other side. So when you are finished with math, you can get a football, color, and cut it out.
Should I put it in the middle of the first half?
Ava, what's your question?
Ohio.
I want you to try to not use your agenda. Okay? Okay. Alright. Go ahead and find your. Yes, start out with. Yes. Alright, go ahead and find your partner. Because that was direction.